The brand new AI peripheral, the Rapid R1, features a beautifully designed transparent shell with each function clearly labeled, like the camera and speaker, making it easy to understand at a glance. The body has a vibrant finish that is rarely seen in tech products, but it looks really nice and not out of place. It's easy to operate, just press and hold the side button to talk, and the rabbit on the screen will have an animation. The rabbit will perk up its ears to show it's listening, and then you can start speaking. For example, you can say, "Hi, how many planets are in the solar system?"
There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Its response speed is better than I expected. When it answers, it comes with subtitles, which is a nice touch. You can double-click the side button to enter video mode, and by turning the wheel, you can adjust the camera to face forward or backward. Then you can talk to the object you want it to recognize.
Look now. This appears to be a Razer gaming mouse. The image shows a black sleek mouse with the distinctive Razer logo on the back.
It's a really interesting experience. With the support of multimodal features, it can also be used for basic tutoring. For example, using it with my child's textbook works quite well. It can help.
Are you taking a look now? Sure. I'd be happy to assist you with these math word problems. Let's go through them step by step. For the first problem, it states there were 5 cupcakes and 2 were eaten.
To find how many are left, we subtract the number eaten from the total 5 minus 2 equals 3, so there are 3 cupcakes left. Another interesting designer, hold the R1 and shake it to enter the settings. If you just got the device, remember to increase the screen brightness and voice volume because the default settings are very low. It can also connect to many external applications such as DoorDash, Order Takeout, and connect to Midjourney to generate pictures. These can be set on the web page. Then there is a problem. At present, the experience of answering questions in English is very smooth and accurate, but its support for multiple languages is not good. If you ask it if it can speak other languages, it will say that it can understand, but it can only answer in English. However, in actual testing, it is not able to accurately recognize other languages. Often when you ask a question, it won't respond either because it can't recognize the question or it gives a random answer. I tested Chinese and German and it was the same. What time is it? It seems like there might have been a typo or a misunderstanding in your message. I hope this feature can be upgraded in the future. In addition, let's talk about its shortcomings, such as booting up and updating, which takes more than 10 minutes, which is a bit slow. Also, the battery life feels a little short, and you may need to charge it once a day, which is expected after all. It only costs $200. Also, this product